and almost like, wow, almost like 20 years later. So we come together. I start like you guys. I was sit down in this table right here. I got a dream. I work hard. So I got the beginning, all the tools, the same one I give it to you guys. So I decide to, after finish the course, I decide to keep reading, keep practicing, getting research, enroll to magazines, everywhere. So I have my dream, I have my goals, and right now I'm living my goals. And I know I can get more, so I'm dreaming my goals. So, but I work hard for that. So the good stuff is not gonna go to your house, so you need to work for that. That's the way of this. I'm very happy where I'm working right now, but I give you a promise to this school. I said, no matter where I'm going, I'm gonna go back to school and help all the new generations of new people. You are the new people, you are the new generation. So don't give up, keep going, so keep practicing. If you have any questions, keep in touch with us. So come here, come to William, come to David, even him. So he have a lot of computers in that brain over there. So when I have a question, I just go straight to him and he give me the tools. So, and remember, we have always different courses, like a software now. So that is a very good class. So as you guys, the future is gonna be electronic. Everything is gonna be smarter, and the surface mount class is good for electronics. So you're gonna learn something new, and I know you guys can use it in the future. And Avionics part, remember you guys gonna be in the new place. So you are gonna be the new guy, same way like me. I was a new guy, and I keep learning and give it the trust to everybody. So they start trusting my job, my work. So now I'm in the top 4, top 5 in avionics in my job. So my goal is to be number 1, but there's like a 15 years difference. So one day I'm gonna be there. So keep working hard, okay? And get some research. So never give up. So now I'm gonna start giving the certification. And Mr. Ian Brown, right? So good job, sir.
Thanks, man.
So this is your certification, picture, just come here, let's take a picture.
Okay.
Don't be shy.
I know we're down, sorry.
Let me get
Beautiful.
Yeah, but because the photos were
You
Oh,
going
okay,
through.
no problem.
gotta get framed now.
So guys, make sure when you take me a picture, Photoshop.
Alright,
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, we'll have the
Camera.
chicken scratch wire.
Alright. Alright. Cool.
Thanks, guys.
Good job, sir.
Thank you.
So keep in touch with me, okay? Never give up.
Yeah.
So, I have Mr. He was the first guy connect, right? He was the first one?
Oh, you had a harness?
Yes, he was the first one to finish the harness.
Oh,
So I always, the person connect first, I always, give it he's my first guy, That's the first guy I know, all right, he connect, I did my job, so I don't make any mistakes. So after that, all the rest, if they don't connect, it's not my fault. I know he did it, so that's my challenge. So Mr. Edward, so good job.
Thank you very much.
This is Mr. Edward. He's the first guy, like reggaeton. Mr. Brr. Like good job. Good job. Okay. All right here, this guy right here, very smart guy. When he told me he's an AMP, so you guys know what is it? So this is the AMP. need to make sure what I'm doing right. Because he knows, so I'm doing something wrong, he's like, oh, you're wrong, so. But I hope he learned something from me. We keep in touch, so I just wanna make sure you wanna go to Avionics, it's more easy for me. The Avionics than the AMP, so. And remember, there's not a lot of people, Avionics and AMP together, so you need to, you're gonna get a lot of advantage on that, okay? So, I hope you, when you get a management title, so see for me, the old guy. Okay, so Adonis, good job. Okay,
Thanks, man.
you're welcome.
Which camera to look
Good
at?
job.
Which camera to look at?
See, I got it.
All right, this guy right here, very quiet, but he was concentrating his job. He, I know him from that corner over there, doing his job. I always ask, hey, do you need help? No, I'm okay, I'm working, I got it. So, Mr. Sunil. Good job, man.
Thank you.
All right.
Give us a smile.
You did the Photoshop, right?
Yeah.
Thank you, good job, man.
Oh, you found, I thought you found.
So, I have Mrs. Elizabeth. She came from another group, and they told me she's gonna make it. I said, don't worry, she's gonna make it, and that's why I'm here. So, Elizabeth, good job. So you did a very good harness. So I know you learned with Dave. But I asked you a question and she know how to respond to questions, so that means she did it very good. Elizabeth, good job. All right. All right, Mr. Who's the last one?
He said, thank me.
This guy right here, I remember the first day, he told me, Hector, I just wanna do my job, I wanna learn, I wanna work hard. So hey, Patrick, so if that's what you want, you're gonna work hard for that. Don't give up. So I saw this guy, he put the table right here and insulate. This is Patrick corner right here. So this guy was concentrated right here. He did his job with zero mistake. So he did a very, very good job. I'm very proud of you, and all the dreams you want to do, just keep going, never give up. And I know you have a very good future. So that is very impressive for me. You know, you insulate from the team, and you just concentrate. So you get your piece, and you have a perfect harvest. Okay?
Probably
So
gonna
good
take
job.
the surface in class.
Yeah, that's good. So Mr. Patrick.
Remember this word, mine is not very good looking, you know. And today, to tell you, today you are sitting here and we are in the front. But tomorrow, with the experience in the field, maybe you are in our position and we are left of you. Okay? Just remember, keep the contact with us. Okay? You are part of this organization. Okay? This organization help you to development in the field, to help you the resume and get job, okay? You keep the contact with us, okay? You, after, before you, give the resume or,
Yeah, the resume,
you show to us, okay? We make a final touch, we verify your resume, and you remember, have a strong opportunity in the field. You study in University of Central Florida.
So you guys have a different from me. You guys have a certification from UCF. My certification is not from UCF. So you have a
Higher level.
Exactly.
you have above beyond my certification.
In your resume, where you study in the University of Central Florida. Continuing education program, Avionics Technician program. Continuing education department, Avionics Technician program. Okay, this is the first. The first thing is your resume with your education. Okay. Okay. Congratulations.